you're someone who has had thin lips all your life and are looking to improve the volume of your lips and make them look fuller and plump, lip fillers are an excellent option. Hi, this is Dr. Ravali Yalamanchili, Chief Dermatologist, NEA Dermatology and Aesthetics. Lip fillers can be done by anyone who has thin lips, there is lack of definition of the lips, asymmetry and loss of volume because of aging. We typically use hyaluronic acid fillers to improve the lip volume. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule which is present in our skin and even in the joints. It mainly maintains the hydration and quality of your skin. In hyaluronic acid filler injections, there are a range of products that we can choose from. Typically for lips, we use products which are softer in consistency, as lips are usually softer and they have to maintain their natural contour. When you're considering fillers for your lips, please visit a qualified dermatologist who can assess, understand the problem, and they can suggest you the right treatment option. And also, make sure that you discuss with your doctor what is the expectation that you have and what you can expect out of the treatment. You can get beautiful results out of lip filler injections, which is almost instant. Before we go ahead with the procedure, we assess the area, we apply a numbing cream prior to make the procedure comfortable. The procedure typically takes around 5 to 15 minutes depending on what we are trying to do. And also, you might experience a minimum discomfort, which is usually tolerable. The injector might massage the area a little bit to make sure the filler is in the right place. And also, post-procedure, you might have some redness and swelling of the lips. This will completely look normal by the next day. One might need as less as a 0.5 ml to 2 ml of a lip filler injection to correct the volume loss or to improve the definition of the lips. Some of the instructions to follow post-procedure are to hydrate well, because hyaluronic acid is a water-absorbing molecule, so the more you hydrate, the better the results. Also, avoid massaging the area or molding the area because the filler is moldable for few days after the procedure. Lip fillers are an excellent treatment option which can be done in 5 minutes to improve the quality of your lips and make them look plump. If you have further queries on this topic, please leave a comment below and like, share and subscribe to my channel.